Dry air making your nights uncomfortable? Meet the DreoSmart Humidifier, designed to help your whole home breathe easier. With a supersized mist output, it delivers soothing moisture faster, perfect for bedrooms, nurseries, and even indoor plants. Control it your way, with touch, the Dreo app, or even your voice through Alexa or Google Assistant. And at just 28 decibels, it's whisper quiet, giving you peaceful sleep and gentle nightlight ambiance. Upgrade your home comfort. DreoSmart Top-Fill Humidifier 4L, ultra-quiet cool mist for bedrooms and large rooms, 36-hour runtime, app, voice control, night light and precise auto-humidity. Upgrade your home comfort, with smart features, long-lasting performance, and air that feels just right. The DreoSmart Humidifier, breathe better, live better.